Hello friends, in this video we will discuss about the put-away and stock removal process in SAP warehouse management. So in our previous video we have configured all the required settings. So that is we have defined the storage type, storage section, bin type, bin, storage type indicator, unit type, storage unit types. We have configured all these things, and we have also processed the put-away strategy, that is this with this storage type self storage. We have made a put away in our previous video, but in this video I'm going to clearly explain uh, how we can make the put away and stock removal process in a more consolidated way, so that you can learn it better. So in this video we will try with fixed storage fixed storage type. So let me have a material, that material will be placed in this using the fixed storage bins. So let me configure. So let me enter into the logistics execution, warehouse management. Okay, master data, storage bins. Let me create the storage bins. So I'm going to process with the fixed storage type. So let me define the bin storage first. Okay, bin structure first. So it is of the number 005. So let me copy this thing. I will copy this thing and I will change accordingly. I will press on copy. So it is a fixed storage bin. Let me change the warehouse number. Okay, it is the template. I am placing the structure as it is. Okay, now let the thing begins. So here they are asking for a storage section. So I will default it 001 as a total section. Let me enter here also. It is 001. So I have written here the same thing. It's storage section. This storage section I have written 001. So let me go with the storage bin type. Okay, it is a fixed storage bin. So let me have this with the bin height 1 meter. So I will write it the storage bin type E1 here also. The storage bin type is E1. So I have entered a E1 here. So let me create the bin and update here. Okay, the storage bin type is E1. Okay, let be the maximum weight be 1000. Just click on enter. Okay, save the entry. Okay, let me select this. Let me create the bin. Environment, create bins. So the bins have been created. Let me create 6 bins have been created. So let me update here. 6 bins have been created. Just click on create online. So I have explained how this bin structure have been created. I've explained in my previous video. Kindly watch it. Okay, you can see that the pins have been created. I think I've made a mistake here. Here, the storage bin type is E1. Okay, it is having 6 bins. Okay, let it be like this. Okay, let me go with the next step. I created the bin. Okay, just close it. Let me enter the material. So I've already configured it in my previous videos. I don't want to go here. So the next step is I enter to these strategies. So first activate storage type search. So in my previous video I have defined everything. Now I want to determine the search sequence. That is, I want to determine the storage type search. Just click here. Okay. What I have to determine is, okay, this FIX. The storage type indicator is FIX, and this corresponds to the fixed storage bin. So let me copy a similar thing like this. Let me copy it. I change the warehouse number. Okay, and the operation is A, and the A is nothing but Putaway, I think so. Let me check. No, A is stock removal. So first I have to go for stock removal and also for Putaway. So the both entry I have to make. First I go with the Putaway. Okay, let it be the reference. So the first priority what I am going to give here is, let me search. Okay, the first priority is fixed bin storage. Okay, let me delete it. Second one. Okay, this is the storage type indicator. Just click on enter. Click on save. Similarly for stock removal also the same thing I have to go with. Just copy the same thing. Just change the operation because I want to carry out the stock removal process also. Just click on enter. So I have created two entries like this. One is for a Putaway and one is for a stock removal. So both the storage type searches, this thing fixed storage. Okay, I have made the determination procedure. Just save this. Okay, move to the next. These things I don't want to make it because I have already configured these things in my previous video. So just second this, activate storage section search. Okay, here also I don't want to proceed with the define. We have already defined it. Just enter into the determine search sequence. So the system is a little bit slow. Okay, let me have okay, let me go with the new entry. So the warehouse number, I enter the warehouse number. The storage section search sequence, determining the fixed bin storage. Okay, the first priority is the total section because you know that we are going with the total section, storage section 001. So that's why I have entered here as 001. So to have a clear cut of the values, I have maintained like this. Maintain Excel sheet like this. You will not make any mistake. Okay, the next activate storage bin search, storage bin type search. So I don't want to go to these things I have already configured. Now let me go to the assignments, storage unit type. Click here, storage type. because these are definitions we have already made in my previous videos. Kindly go and look into that. Okay, here the storage unit type has to be configured. So you know that a storage unit type we have not given till now. So let me give it here. Okay, let me go with the new entry. Warehouse number. It is the fixed bin storage. So the first priority is E1, because here E1, this storage bin type we have gone with the E1. Let me go with the E1. Okay, I'll just save this entry. Storage bin type. So what is a bin type? Storage bin type is also E1. So let me go with the new entry. VER storage unit type. Okay, E1. And the first priority is E1. Okay, let me save it. An entry already exists. Oh, this entry is already existing. Let me check. Okay, there is already an entry here. In this example also we have made with the E1, I think so. So that's why the entry is also available here. So no problem. We can go with the E1. Okay, this is not required. Okay, save it. Let me go with the next step. Strategies I have completed. So the next step is I just go to the activities, transfers. So we know that we have done some mistakes in my second video, that is the movement types. So till now in the last video we have done with the movement type 561. That is initial entry of stock balances. Let me show it. For that only we have let me go with the 561, the moment type 561. So for this only we have changed this as correctly. So this is the storage type. So let me enter here. So apart from this storage type, I've configured this also, the storage type that starts with the 901 to 998. Okay, let it be 999. Alt enter. So we have configured this also. Apart from this storage type, we have configured these things, and this will be these things will act as a interim storage. So let me explain the interim storage. So that if I want to make this transaction, that is initial entry of stock balances, the material will be allotted in this interim storage. This is the interim storage. The material will be placed in this storage, and then only it will direct to the storage bin where we need that material in that storage bin. We will place it. So these these storage type will corresponds to specific applications of interim storage, especially like for example goods issued to cost center. If I want to issue the goods to the cost center, the material has to be transported from the bin, from the actual storage bin to the interim storage. So like that, the transaction varies with this storage type. Okay, so we have configured these things, these interim storage correctly with only this moment type. So let me get back. So just okay, let me go to the new tab. Let me process the put away process. Okay, MB1C. Let me have initial entry of stock balances with the new material, and then we will keep that material into our fixed storage bin. So the movement type is 561. We have already configured this movement type. The plant, I will miss the storage location. Okay, that is not a problem. We can give here also. So the material. So I'm not doing with the last material. Let me have a new material. The material type is FBER. Okay, this is the material. Let me have a 10 quantity of it. Just click on enter. Okay, it has the account determination GBB. So GBB is offsetting entry for inventory posting. So let me have a new tab. The T code is OBYC. So let me check the GBB and BSA. So the account modifier is BSA. Okay, the here is GBB. Oh, GBB, where it is? Yes, here. Offsetting entry for inventory posting. My chart of accounts. So here, let me, okay, the valuation modification, that is 0001. The general modification, that is BSA. Okay, BSA. The valuation class, FBER. FBER. And the account. This is the account. I have already used it for another material, so I will just use this thing. So let me show this. What is this? No, not this. Just I want to see what is this account. Not sure. I think it is GRIR account. Oh, initial stock. Let me show this account. Initial stock update. So that account. Initial entry of stock balances account. Okay. Okay, it is correct. Let me go to the transaction. So let me save it. So it corresponds to the second entry, that is PR entry for BSX. Okay, this thing BSX. Let me maintain BSX. Okay, inventory posting account. So the valuation modification is 001 FB. What is this? Valuation classes FBER. Okay, the same account. It is GRIR account. Let me show it. Okay, not an inventory account. Sorry, the inventory account. Okay, let me save it. Get back. Okay, just now I can save it. So if I save this, this amount, this quantity will be thrown into the interim storage, that is 998. Okay, I will show it. Okay, you can see the document is posted. Now I will see. Now I will show where this 10 quantities resides. Let me show it. The T code is LS26 to display the stock summary. Okay, this is the material. Just click on enter. Material, not this material. Let me show FBER. That is a finished product. Yes, this material. Okay. Okay, you can see that the stock is available with this 998. That is it is an interim storage, especially initial entry of stock balances. Now I want to make the stock available in my bin structure fixed storage. So this stock need to be transferred to this fixed storage type. So let me do it. Okay, let me do it. So the T code is LT10. So this is the Putaway process. I'll enter the storage type. No, the storage type is 998 and the moment type is 561. Just execute it. You can see that this material is available with the interim storage. Let me select it and click on display stock transfer foreground so that I can clearly explain you. Okay, the storage type is where we need this 10 quantity is the storage type 005. Storage bin is okay. The storage bin, let me, storage type is 005. Oh, I forgot the storage bin. Let me, this is the storage bin. This 6 bins we have created now. Okay, let me have this thing. Storage section. What is the storage section? 001. Total storage 001. Storage unit type. What is the storage unit type? E1. Okay, E1. Okay, confirm immediately. Copy. You can see that the tick mark appears here, which means the stock is transferred. Let me show it again in the T code LS26. You can see that okay, let me click on bin stock and it shows the material is available in 005 and in the storage bin A-01 the material is available. So this is the Putaway process. So let me process with the stock removal process. So let me push the goods issue process. So let me go with the T code. We can do goods issued to the cost center. As I said previously, we have to do the configuration for the movement type 201. Let me show it. 201 is goods issued to the cost center here. So let me open it. So this is the wrong thing. we need to change this. So what thing we have to give here is, okay, let me go with this G11. So sorry, 911. That is goods issue area to the cost center. So keep in mind, now the stock is available in A-01. The storage type is 005. So from there I have to move the stock to 911. That is interim storage, so that I can issue to the cost center. So now this is the process of stock removal. So let me have this thing here. So the storage bin is, let me share. Oh, it is not okay. Let me save it. I don't want to give the bin. It will automatically update here. Just click here. Just save it. Here only the TOTR this comes into picture. I'm not discussing in this video. Let me have a separate session on this. So let me have this. Let me go to the Migo. So I've just changed it to the goods issue to the cost center. Let me have other. I just enter the goods issue to the cost center moment type 201. Okay, just enter the material. The material number I have not remember. FBER. So this material you are going to issue to the cost center. The 10 quantities. Let me show it. Okay, where from the plant BERP, from the storage location BERP. Okay, just click on enter. You can see that the warehouse management app activated here. Just click on account assignment. Give the cost center. I know the cost center is BERP. If you want to have a good knowledge in cost center, kindly go to my finance playlist. You can have these sessions. Click on to the warehouse management. Let me check whether it can be transferred or not. I have not entered anything here. Let me check. So it says the account determination for GBP. Let me go to the here again to the offsetting entry, and this time it is demanding for VBR. It is let me show GBP VBR. Okay, VBR. It is account modifier or a general modification. VBR. Violation modification 001. Violation modification is also called grouping code. General modification is also called this thing. General modification. For account modifier. Okay. The violation class. Let me check the violation classes. FBER. Okay. FBER. Okay, the account is 5002. Okay, let me show what is this account. 5002. The expense account, you can see. Okay, it is material consumption account. Let me have this configuration. I've already configured this. I think I configured this for material management. Okay, I will show the thing. Okay, the field status group should be G003. The important parameters are line display. So these things. Main thing, I have to edit the cost element because it is the expense account. I need to go to the edit cost element. Here also you can see I have linked the cost center to in this, since it is an expense account. Okay, let me save it. Okay, let me save this thing. Okay, let me go back. Now I post the let me check the goods issue. Okay, it says the document is okay. Let me post it. Okay, you can see that the material document is posted. So let me okay, the material document is posted, but it directs to the second screen, that is create transfer order for material document. It forces me to create the transfer order. So why I need to create this transfer order? So let me show here. Let me show where the stock actually is. We have posted the goods issue. Okay, okay, you can see this. First, the stock is available in this storage type. Now it gone, but now also the stock is available in 005 only. But you can see that some stock is removed from 911. So this is what we have done now. That is a goods issue to the cost center. There is no stock in this area, but the stock is detected from this storage area, this from this interior storage, but the actual stock is placed in 005 only. It is not gone the reduction of stock. It is the 10 stock is present here only. See, for this only, for this situation, we need to go to the transfer order, and only when we confirm the transfer order, the stock will be shifted from this storage bin to goods issue to cost center area. So then the stock will go to zero, and the stock will be available here. So no worry, I will do it from here itself. You can see that when I posted the material document, it defaultly corresponds to the next process, that is create transfer order. Okay, that is not an issue, but I will clearly explain it in a new video. No worry, I just make here. Okay, the storage type search is 005. Let me display it foreground. Stock removal process. Storage unit type is 005. Does not exist. Oh, storage unit type is 911. It seems. Okay, I will not give anything here. Let me go with okay, from 005. Okay, from where the stock is available. Storage section 001. Let me enter here 001. Okay, this thing. Okay, check your entries. So from this area, it will go to this 911. Let me enter. Just save it. Okay, the transfer order is created. So in order to confirm the transfer order, the T code is LT12. So don't worry, guys. I will post in a separate video. I want to show this thing. That's why. Okay, the TR transfer order number. We just confirm it. Just click on enter. Just save it. Don't worry, we will have a separate session. So here it shows the transfer order is confirmed. Now let me again check the stock LT26. I will be performed the stock removal process. LT, no, sorry, LS26. Sorry, no quants. So let me display the transfer order /n LT12. Just display it. Transfer order display. Click on enter. So click on destination data. You see the material is available in 911. Okay, the quantity. So let me show the goods goods issue. Just go to the Migo. I will show the process goods issue. I just change it to display the material document. This is the this is what we have posted now. Okay, you can see this is the FI document. I don't want to see the FI document now, but I want to see the values. Okay, you can see that the moment type corresponds to goods issued to the cost center. The created TR, the transfer requirement number is 12. So this is the automatically the TR is created. So let me show this TR. Just move to the new session. The T code is LT04. Okay, this is the TR number. Just enter into it. Okay, it shows the transfer requirement is already fully supplied. We have created the TR and also we have posted it. Just I can display it. So this thing. So now the stock is available with N911. There is interim storage for goods issued to the cost center. So don't worry, we will see the TR in a separate video. So thank you guys for watching this video. So kindly subscribe it. We will post more videos. Thank you.